Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and well. In my today's video, I'm going to share one of my favorite blackhead peel off mask that you can make easily at home. So for this peel off mask, we are going to make use of an egg and a tissue paper. Can you imagine just an egg can help you to remove your blackheads? Now we all know that blackheads or whiteheads are not in our control, and the most common cause of this is due to overproduction of oil gland. Now in my personal experience, I have tried many things to get rid of my blackheads, but my blackheads were super stubborn. I have tried medication given to me by my dermatologist, but sadly I have never got the results that I was waiting for. But this mask is a life changer, the mask that I can rely on. Let's start. So for this mask, all you need is a neck and tissue paper. So for the very first step, you have to separate your egg white and your egg yolk. For our peel off mask, we are only going to make use of egg white. Now you have to whisk it at least for a minute until it becomes somewhat stiff. Now after a minute, it should look something like this. Now you can divide your one tissue paper into two halves. And with one half, we will start making our peel off strips. This is how you're going to cut your peel off strips. Once you're done with cutting your strips, now you have to apply the egg white over the areas where you have blackheads, the way I am applying. You can use a makeup brush or any brush, or you can even use your fingers. After you're done applying your first layer, you are going to put up your first strip, your tissue paper strip, over the egg white. And this is very important that you have to cover it very nicely. Now once we're done applying our first layer, we are going to apply the second layer of egg white over the tissue paper, and we will make use of another strip of tissue paper. This is how you're going to do it. And now you have to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes until you see that it is dry now. This is how your mask is going to look like. Now you just have to peel it off like this. So once you peel it off, this is how it's gonna look like. Now I have done this on my nose, and this is the amount of blackheads I was having on my nose. After you're done, you can clean the area with the cold or wet tissue, or you can just wash it off with the cold water. And now the last and the most important part is to rub an ice over the area, so in case if you have any open pore, it will close that open pore. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.